Hello, and welcome to this PMF overview, which explains what you can do with dimensions. This overview will cover a metrics topic. Dimensions provide the basis for how your summaries are added up in PMF and control how your drills work when you drill down on summaries. They provide a means to group measures and to filter them. Because they can match up with aspects of your enterprise, such as your organization chart, they can also serve as a security mechanism in PMF. Dimensions are organized in hierarchies with one or more levels. Let's look at all the ways dimensions add to the power of what you can do in PMF. When you look at measures, you are looking at counts, amounts, summaries of activities, money earned and spent, and scores, ratios, and percents. When you add dimensions to the mix, you get the ability to break up and make sense of this data. Dimensions provide the basis of the questions you ask. Who did something? When did it happen? What products or staff or customers were involved? PMF can drop down dimension levels and break these levels out, which lets you quickly see the data in grids or visuals and find out the context. Here, we are drilling down on the south region in the location dimension. The data floats down and we see details for the south, and we know the context for the data. In the universal drill, we also see our information through a dimensional context and float down and up through the dimension as we journey through our data. Where did these events happen? When did this happen? What products were involved in these events? We can walk through these scenarios as we dig for more facts. And dimensions blend into the way we look at our objectives. As we look at our measures through the lens of our goals, which tells us the why, from dimensions we get the who, the what, the where, and the when. Dimensions also provide a natural filtering mechanism which PMF lets you use as row-level data security. You can pick and choose which measures are filtered. For those you really want to keep private to particular groups of users, you can use dimensions as filters for different parts of your organization, locations, products, services, customers, etc. And other measures can be public. Dimensions provide the basis for how your summaries are added up in PMF and control how your drills work when you drill down on summaries. They provide a means to group measures and to filter them. And that filtering power also gives you control over data security. Here's where to go for more information.